Hi everyone! Today we are going to create some ATC cards using Maggie Holmes Garden Party. So I have my Barely Arts glue. I prepped my pieces. They measure 2.5 by 3.5. And then I didn't like that the back was just plain white, so I wanted to back it. So this is going to be my cover, and this is going to be my back where I'm going to write like my name and my information. So I'm just going to use my Barely Arts glue to just go ahead and glue the two pieces together. And I like using the wet glue because it'll give me a little bit of time to go ahead and wiggle it around if needed in case I am not perfectly centered. So just using my fingers to go ahead and line those up. Give it a quick little tap, tap, tappy to make sure it's all nice and together. And then I'm going to be going through the ephemera pack to see what I still have available because I used them for some of the other projects. So then I could go ahead and figure out what I want to create. And I am going to be making them identical when I host swaps or send swaps. I want them to be the same. That way everybody's is, you know, exactly the same and there's no difference. It just looks like all like you can tell it came from the same person, you know, instead of being like a bunch of different patterns and designs. I just like to keep it all the same. So let me dig through and see what I still have. Okay, so as you can see, I got my little game plan going here. I went through the ephemera, took out what I thought would be cute. So I am going to cut down this paper so that it fits the frame. So I'm going to have it something like this. So that way we can still see the little fox. So I'm going to cut off this extra. And then I have my little tag here. I did bring out my colored foam. This came from Happy Crafter Shop. We do have a coupon code Vagabond10 so you can save 10% off of your purchase. And she drops new merch on the 1st of every month. And then I have my round trip puffy stickers. So that way I'm thinking I'll probably add like a flower and possibly a butterfly. There's also like a little heart here. So there's definitely little items in here that I can add. That's why I love Maggie Holmes. You can mix and match her different collections. So I love that. So let's, oh, and I don't remember if I said I brought out my little diamond dots, because this is extra stuff that I have, and these are some pinks, so I'm going to put those on the cheeks of the fox. So let me go ahead and get to gluing and cutting. Okay guys, so here are my two ATC cards. I was trying to find if I had like a tiny little bow that I could put in the little fox's hair over here, and I couldn't think of anywhere. I found a small bow, but it was still too big, so I'm just gonna leave these as they are. The one thing I did forget was to write my information on the back, which probably would have been easier to do before I had glued and layered everything up. but I'm still going to do it. Hopefully I don't knock off the little gemmies off her little cheeks here, because I am going to do that right now. Okay, I changed my mind. Because it's still wet, I don't want to ruin the little diamond dots on the cheeks. So I'm going to use this so I can remember what to write. So I'm going to do my name, YouTube, hopefully I'm not shaking the table, Instagram. It's basically the same, but there's a dot on Instagram. Let's see, birthday. What else can I put? Oh, my P.O. box. What else do people put? I think that's what I can think of. I don't know what else to put. I think that's good enough. What do you guys think? So once those dries off, I'll definitely be putting this information on the back, but I wanted to give you an idea of what to put. Oh, I think people put like what they like. I think I've done too, like a favorite tool, like favorite craft tool. Like I'm really loving my all-in-one We Are Memory Keepers tool. Really loving that thing right now. That's what I use to cut everything down. I think that's pretty much it. So that's gonna wrap up our little video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.